There are so many athletes, bodybuilders who are building muscle on plants. When we're younger, we don't think so much about disease or heart disease, and we can't feel those plaques building in our arteries as well. That's why people generally get a heart attack a lot, generally a lot later in life, right? Because it's that buildup. The other thing is just thinking about your performance overall. And I didn't mention that there's so many benefits of plants, but just talking about, your son, for example, who is looking to build muscle. Plants, there's lots of plants that can really help increase blood flow as well. There's a reason they can help with performance. They can decrease your recovery time as well, especially the antioxidants doing that, protecting your cells. So there's lots of advantages to building in plants when we, anyone, performance in any way. I don't just mean performance in the gym. I mean performance at work, performance in your relationships. We want to be alert and happy and performing well in our lives overall. And plants really, really help with that. And I think even though, of course, it is so important. I work with athletes and sports people and marathon runners and boxers. And of course, protein is so, so important, but it's just one part of that balance to keep them really, really healthy. And even though exercise can really reduce your risk of disease, we should be moving. That's so important. You are not immune to type 2 diabetes, heart disease, various diseases. You are not immune to that because you are working out a lot. That even though you're reducing your risk and it's so important, your nutrition is so, so key in that. I do know people who've been amazing sports people who've come down with type 2 diabetes. I mean, everyone does. We know that we cannot just use exercise to protect ourselves.